What's up guys? So in today's video I'm going to be talking about how I turned $200 into $500. I will be specifically talking about Tesla and the play that I made. If you don't know, I actually announced this play in like one of my previous videos. I said I was going to take this play and it worked out. So if you are subscribed, you probably would have seen that play. Anyway, let's get into the play. So the play that I took was a Tesla debit spread, as we can see here. So for the previous week, I deposited $200. And if you're wondering why it's fluctuating, it's because I actually own one stock of this Amnio Pharmaceuticals. So while this fluctuates up and down, I actually only deposited $200 into my account. And then we can see here I opened the debit spread on Friday, July 17th, because it was cheap. Tesla was down and it actually dipped. I held through because I knew it'd be green on Monday, and then it just rocketed up today. So yeah, that was my play for today. As we can see, I'm up 169.66%. If we look at the play, actually let's look at the play from here. If we see the play here, I have a Tesla 1565 call. So here's the play. It cost me $192 and the total return so far is $315. And this is the max return. So as long as Tesla stays above $1,565, I will make max gains, which is $315. And so yeah, as you can see here, I try to get filled on some orders before, and then I try to close it today. I try to close it for $300 because I wanted just to take profit of $100, but it didn't let me close it, so I'm pretty thankful for that. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. I just wanted to get out of it. I wanted to play Amazon because if you don't know, I also talked about my Amazon play that I wanted to make, which would have been up a couple $100. The only reason I wasn't in that play was because I didn't have enough money to enter it. I was also going to play Apple. If you don't know, where's Apple? So here's Apple. My theory is that Apple will break 400 by its earnings, and it has earnings within a couple of weeks. So I would definitely play Apple. I would be looking for a debit spread at the minimum, a 400 debit spread, because I'm pretty sure it's going to break above 400. Maybe you could even try something else. So if we scroll through Apple, let me look at it right now. So I would probably do a July 31st. I'd sell, hold up. So I would probably sell, the spread of the price right now is not correct. They're all pretty, I guess, tight right now. And the reason it's like that is because, well, the market's closed right now. So at market open, these prices will be different. So actually, I can't really view that right now. Anyway, and now for Amazon, I'm also pretty bullish on Amazon. I'm thinking it's going to break all-time highs, potentially run up to $3,500. So I'll be looking to play this, but again, the prices aren't correct right now because the market's closed. So I wouldn't be too confident in these prices. You'd have to wait till market open either way to buy, but I'd probably do something. See, I was gonna buy this one right here, this one, because it's the $10 difference, because I wanted to make $1,000, and I would have been I would have been in the money by a lot. It only costs like $350 to $400, but you would have made about $600 profit from that. I wish I could have bought it, but like I said, I didn't have enough money to get into it. I also announced this play though on the last week's video. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this play. But yeah, that was a play I made with Tesla. I'm pretty sure this was just a spike up. At market open tomorrow, this will probably decrease, but as long as Tesla does stay at or above 1,565, I will collect $315 of total return, which is actually amazing. I'll take that profit any day. So that was my play. Like I said, I had announced this play last week. Make sure you subscribe, like the video. If you have any questions about how to enter a debit spread or how to close it, how to enter a credit spread, or how to close a credit spread, if you want me to make a video about that, let me know. But that's been it, guys. Peace.